What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to clean part of van. It's already clean, so what we're gonna do is part this off in sectionals because I want to see how good my cladding will look again. So I'm gonna do this back half here where it's already clean. What I'm gonna do is wipe it down some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure all the dirt is out, and then we're gonna use our plastic resurfacer from Eastwood and spray it back all over again, and let's see how well it looks. Now, the directions said it needs a few coats, so let us try and do this. See you soon. Alright, so here we have the Eastwood plastic resurfacer. It permanently restores the automotive plastics, reflows and resurfaces faded and chalky surfaces, and it's UV resistant, so it won't fade. So the directions say after it's clean of debris, mask off the areas, hold 8 to 10 inches, obviously wait 5 to 10 minutes between coats, and usually coverage is achieved with 2 to 4 light coats. Do not apply heavier. Do not apply heavily, allow resurfacer to penetrate. Allow 8 hours to fully cure. Let's get started. We're gonna let that first coat dry, and what I'm gonna do is look for some newspaper so I can like kind of cover this half of the Z71 so it doesn't get sprayed with black. Let's see what happens. Second coat. Coat 3. Alrighty guys, so that is all the time that we have left for today. The episode was super quick, I know it is, but don't worry, we're gonna have more of this coming up because we have the rest of the truck to do. Now look at that, look how sick that looks. It looks so good. I cannot wait to see the rest of the truck finally black like the cladding should be. I'm tired of this dull gray. I'm so happy that we can get this going. Now all I have to do is literally leave it alone for 8 hours, let it cure. The sucky thing is it's outside. Hopefully it doesn't rain within the next 8 hours. Also on top of that, hopefully, you know, sand, bugs and stuff like that don't get stuck to it because that would suck. But to me it looks like it's actually pretty dry because I did lay a lot of light coats on, let it dry 5 and 10 minutes in between, and obviously you just gotta wait for the 8 hours to let it cure. I wish I could put it inside the garage, but we have no space, and I basically took a chance having it outside in the cold and I basically took a chance having it outside in this weather, so hopefully it doesn't get rained on, and all we can do is just wait and see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like in the video, and also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you like this video. Also, I will leave the Eastwood reformer in the link in the description below. Obviously, if you guys done this before, let me know what you used and how yours turned out, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.